Welcome to another episode of Luxo-Life, your partner in life. Today's episode is titled From Startup to 600K a Month, Mastering the AI SaaS Game. In this video, you'll learn what SaaS is and how to leverage AI to excel in the SaaS industry. Stay tuned for valuable insight that can help you achieve the possibility of earning 600K per month. Don't forget to show Luxo-Life some love, and let's begin. What is AI SaaS? Before everything else, we must first understand what AI SaaS is. AI SaaS, or Artificial Intelligence Software as a Service, refers to software applications delivered over the internet that use artificial intelligence to provide smarter, more efficient solutions. This model has gained significant traction in the tech landscape because it combines the benefits of cloud-based services with the innovative capabilities of AI. As businesses and individuals seek more advanced tools to streamline processes, AI SaaS emerges as a game changer, offering unique solutions tailored to users' needs. Integrating AI into SaaS products offers several advantages that enhance user experience. For instance, AI can analyze large volumes of data quickly, helping users make informed decisions based on real-time insights. It can also automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for users to focus on more important aspects of their work. Additionally, AI-driven tools can personalize user interactions by learning preferences and behavior patterns, ensuring a tailored experience that resonates with each individual. This combination of efficiency and personalization makes AI SaaS an attractive option for businesses looking to improve their services. Current trends in the AI SaaS market further illustrate its growing relevance. Many companies are investing in AI technologies to stay competitive, leading to a surge in innovative applications across various industries. For example, businesses are increasingly adopting AI chatbots for customer service, utilizing predictive analytics to enhance sales strategies, and implementing machine learning algorithms to improve operational efficiency. As these trends continue to evolve, they highlight the importance of AI SaaS in shaping the future of technology and how businesses operate. How to master the AI SaaS game. With this foundational understanding of AI SaaS and its transformative impact on the tech landscape, the next step is to explore how to master the AI SaaS game. Here's what you need to do. Number 1. Building a solid foundation. The first step is to build a solid foundation for your AI SaaS business. This starts with conducting thorough market research, which is crucial for identifying your target audience and understanding your needs. Knowing who your potential customers are will guide your decisions, from product features to marketing strategies. Take the time to analyze the market trends, competitors, and customer feedback. This knowledge will not only help you create a product that resonates with the users, but also position your business effectively in a crowded marketplace. Once you have a clear picture of your target audience, it's time to develop a viable business model. This involves defining how your SaaS product will deliver value to customers and generate revenue. Consider various pricing strategies such as subscription models or tiered pricing based on features. Think about how your product will differentiate itself from competitors and what unique benefits it offers. This clarity will help you attract and retain customers, ensuring that your business can grow sustainably over time. Additionally, it's essential to remain adaptable during the process. The tech landscape is constantly changing, and what works today may not be as effective tomorrow. Stay open to feedback and be willing to pivot your business model if necessary. Engaging with your audience through surveys or focus groups can provide valuable insights that lead to improvements. Remember, flexibility can be a significant advantage in a rapidly evolving market, allowing you to respond effectively to new opportunities or challenges. Number 2. Product development and strategy. After building your foundation, it's time to develop your product and strategies. Your AI SaaS product should solve a specific problem or improve an existing process for your target audience. Take time to think about what features and functionalities will provide real value. It's essential to prioritize user experience, ensuring that your product is not only effective but also easy to use. A well-designed product will help keep users engaged and encourage them to return. Another important step in product development is launching a minimum viable product or MVP. An MVP is a simplified version of your product that includes only the core features needed to meet the basic needs of your users. This approach allows you to enter the market more quickly and start gathering valuable feedback. By testing your MVP with real users, you can gain insight into what works well and what needs improvement. This early feedback is crucial as it helps you make informed decisions about future enhancements. Iterating based on user feedback is a critical aspect of refining your product. Once your MVP is launched, listen closely to what your users have to say. Are there any features they love? Are there aspects they find confusing or lacking? Use this information to make adjustments and improvements. This process of iteration helps ensure that your product evolves in alignment with the user expectations, increasing the chances of long-term success. Number 3. Marketing and customer acquisition. Of course, after developing your product, you have to market it. Effective marketing strategies are essential for SaaS startups to attract customers and build brand awareness. Start by defining your target audience and understanding their pain points. This understanding will guide your marketing efforts and help you create tailored messages that resonate with potential users. Utilize various channels such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your audience where they are most active. Leveraging platforms like TikTok and YouTube can significantly boost your marketing efforts. For TikTok, focusing on creating engaging videos that connect with your audience. Use humor, storytelling, or relatable scenarios to capture their attention. Keep your video short and visually appealing, and don't hesitate to showcase your product in action. TikTok's algorithm favors creativity and authenticity, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what resonates best with your followers. On the other hand, YouTube provides a platform for more in-depth content. Craft compelling videos that not only showcase your product, but also demonstrate your expertise in the industry. Consider creating tutorials, product demos, or case studies to help potential customers understand how your solution can benefit them. Engaging content can position you as a thought leader in your field, building trust with your audience and encouraging them to explore your offerings further. Additionally, utilizing YouTube Shorts can be a game changer for capturing attention quickly. These brief attention-grabbing videos are perfect for showcasing key features or benefits of your product in a concise format. Shorts can attract potential customers who may not have the time or interest to watch longer videos. By combining these strategies across different platforms, you can create a cohesive marketing approach that effectively engages your audience and drives customer satisfaction. Number 4. Scaling up. After successful marketing, the next step is scaling up your business to increase revenue. Scaling is about finding ways to grow without proportionally increasing costs. One effective strategy is to focus on expanding your customer base while maintaining high-quality service. This can involve automating certain processes to improve efficiency and reduce manual work. By streamlining operations, you can handle a larger volume of customers without compromising the user experience. Another key aspect of scaling is building strong partnerships. Collaborating with other businesses can open new avenues for growth. Look for companies that complement your services or target similar audiences. Through partnerships, you can share resources, co-market products, or even create bundled offerings. This approach not only broadens your reach but also adds value to your customers, making your product more appealing. Networking plays a vital role in scaling your businesses as well. Attend industry events, webinars, and meetups to connect with potential clients, partners, and mentors. Building relationships within your industry can lead to valuable insights, opportunities, and referrals. Don't underestimate the power of a good network. It can significantly impact your growth trajectory by exposing you to new ideas and potential collaborators. Lastly, leveraging customer referrals can be a powerful growth strategy. Satisfied customers are often the best advocates for your business, spreading the word through positive word of mouth. Encourage them to share their experiences through testimonials, reviews, or referral programs. Offering incentives for referrals can motivate your customers to talk about your product with their friends and family. By harnessing the power of your existing customer base, you can drive growth and enhance your reputation in the market. Number 5. Financial management. The moment you start earning, you have to pay close attention to financial management. Understanding key financial metrics is crucial for any SaaS business. Metrics such as monthly recurring revenue or MRR, customer acquisition cost or CAC, and customer lifetime value or CLTV provide valuable insights into your business's health. MRR shows how much you can expect to earn every month, while CAC helps you gauge how much you're spending to acquire new customers. CLTV tells you how much a customer is worth over the duration of their relationship with your business. Keeping track of these numbers will help you make informed decisions about your growth and sustainability. Cash flow management is another critical area for any growing business. It's essential to ensure that money coming in meets or exceeds what's going out. Regularly reviewing your cash flow statements will help you anticipate any shortfalls and plan accordingly. This means knowing when to invest in new initiatives and when to hold back. Establishing a cash reserve can provide a safety net during lean months, allowing you to manage unexpected expenses without derailing your progress. Pricing strategies also play a significant role in financial management. Setting the right price for your services can influence your revenue and customer acquisition. You should regularly assess your pricing to ensure it reflects the value you provide and remains competitive in the market. Consider offering tiered pricing plans that cater to different customer segments. This approach allows you to attract a wider audience while maximizing your revenue potential. Finally, making smart reinvestments is essential for long-term growth. Reinvesting profits into product development, marketing, or customer support can significantly enhance your business's value. However, it's vital to prioritize areas that yield the highest returns. By analyzing the performance of different investments, you can focus your resources on initiatives that drive growth. And that's how you can master the AI SaaS game. If you learned something today and enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and pass it along to others. If you're new to Luxo-Life, we invite you to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, Luxo lovers!